welcome back to JavaScript Playground. In today's video, we will talk about loops. Let's say you did not finish your homework and your computer science teacher gave you a task to print 100 times, "I will finish my homework on time." Now, one way is to write 100 console log statements so that this sentence is printed 100 times on the console screen. Another way is you can tell the program to run the console log statement 100 times for you. This repetition of code is called loop, and each repetition is called iteration. In other words, running the same lines of code for a multiple number of times is called loops. In this case, you will be running the console log statement 100 times, so the loop will have 100 iterations. Because as I mentioned earlier, every time the loop is run or every time those statements are executed, it's called an iteration. Similarly, say you are having a party and you have a guest list which has the name of all your friends. Now the problem is that you don't remember if you invited a certain friend, say Darth Vader. Now what you can do is loop through the list, and whenever you find the name Darth Vader, you can stop going through the list any further. So this is another example of loops. JavaScript offers you two loops, while loop and for loop. When you know how many times your loop needs to iterate, then you can use for loop. But when you have the kind of loop where you need to stop the loop based on certain conditions, you can use while loop. In the coming videos, we will explore more about for loops and while loops. That's all for today. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.